In this video from Device Doctor, we'll introduce the HP LaserJet Pro 1102, a printer with great performance at an affordable price. Stay tuned to learn more about it.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
This printer weighs about 5.7 kilograms. With its dimensions of 14.6 by 9.4 by 7.6 inches, it's perfect for small spaces. Its compact design makes it a great choice for home offices or small businesses. As for the price, it usually ranges from $80 to $120, making it an affordable option for users on a budget. The HP LaserJet Pro 1102 has a 150-sheet paper tray and a recommended monthly print volume of 1,500 pages, with a maximum duty cycle of 8,000 pages. The printer uses the HP 85A black toner cartridge, which has a yield of 1,600 pages based on 5% page coverage. The toner refill costs around $3.50 to $5, making it an affordable option for regular use. This printer supports several paper sizes, including A4, letter, legal, executive, and other standard sizes, making it versatile for various printing needs. The HP LaserJet Pro 1102 offers an impressive print speed of up to 19 pages per minute, ensuring efficient performance for everyday printing tasks. Its print quality is equally remarkable, with a resolution of 600 by 600 dpi, producing crisp, sharp text and clear, professional-looking documents. Whether you're printing for home or office use, this printer delivers both speed and quality. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Device Doctor for more expert tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.